So, shit. What we doing today, guys?
Shit. We got a little rear suspension overhaul, I guess. We've got rear toe arms and rear upper control arms, so hopefully fix up my rear toe issue and have some camber adjustability, which will be nice. So finally fix up the alignment, at least in the back, and fix up the exhaust as well because I'm missing a couple bolts, so that should be a fun one. But yeah. So we are in the Sienna right now on the way to AutoZone, and we are picking up some nuts and bolts for the 240 exhaust. So check it out, we got everything we need. Exhaust gasket maker, nuts and bolts, and gotta have a butterfinger.
Where are you trying to go, man?
I'm trying to go home.
You got more space, but it's like,
I mean, that's probably good enough.
The stuff.
I guess let's empty out the trunk real fast.
Man, over a rock or something. Oh, that was my 8-ball.
Yeah. So I've been running a mismatched setup right now. I've got 15 by 8.5 progressive wheels in the front and 15 by 8 Eagle alloy in the back. So kind of a unique setup, but it's hard to find 5-lug small wheels in the US. So this is what I'm running. We're gonna swap out the battery.
Boy, awesome.
Did we bleed this thing yet?
Patrick.
Yeah, it works.
Oh yeah, we did. Okay. Let's get this thing in the air.
Low car shit. Yeah, it's true. Whichever one you want to use. I mean, if we want like a lot of room to work up in there and shit.
Might bow the sides first,
No, because the sides. Okay.
Alright.
So I'm not on the sides here.
Yeah.
It's on there.
That. Yeah, it looks good.
Pinch well, it's not happy, but it's on there. That's fine.
Alright. Now let's unbolt the wheels and see what we're working with. That bad.
The back extension.
Wait, what?
Nothing.
Oh yeah, no, quick.
10 o'clock at night.
We did 10 o'clock at night
in the driveway with
not
no
even in the
tools.
driveway.
Alright, so got the wheel off. Let's take a look at the arms.
To do these arms, what do we need to do?
You gotta loosen this bolt, loosen the bolt back there, and then loosen these 2 bolts for the toe adjustment.
Alright, what we gotta do now?
Shit, so we gotta loosen the top coilover bolts so we have room to slip the upper control arms out. Don't mind the wiring mess. So it's enough persuasion. The plastic can be moved out of the way, and we're looking at our coilover mounts. So let's get a 14 mil and yeah, I'm down.
Bust
Alright,
that.
got that bolt up.
Oh, we gotta loosen this back one too. To get it to fall down.
Yeah.
And then we should be able to slide that out.
Alright, one more to go.
Life hack, you don't need the longest ratchet.
You just need a jack handle.
Now you have an infinite extendable.
Nice.
Show 'em.
All right.
Yeah, I just gotta get around this nut and shit.
Alrighty. So, here. Get it out of here. So, take a look. You'll see a passenger side 240 stock tow arm and stock upper control arm. Now, this is what we're swapping it out for. We've got the P2M upper adjustable and the ISR Pro rear tow arms. So, should make a big difference in the drivability and definitely the alignment. So.
Oh, those bushings are wasted.
I mean, they're OEM.
Yeah, they're gone.
30 years
30,
ago?
over 30.
What year is this car? 93?
92.
92.
Well, this
Oh,
one
that
needs,
nut.
here. This one needs to go in a little bit. You're just trying to get the threads even on both sides. It's a little bit tricky.
So we got a little bit more to go.
Yeah, but
Beautiful.
yeah.
Oh yeah, it's like that. Alright, bet.
believe
So slide this part in between the coilover and the shock bolt.
There.
And then you go bring it back this way. Oh, that joint fell out. Up like that. Just back. Boom. Bring it in like Flynn. Well, no, you're missing the thing. Now we just gotta kind of finesse it in a little bit. Alright, so now we just gotta get a screwdriver to line up the holes and get the bolts in.
For sure. This one is gonna go in the back.
Oh, did they give us new ones?
Yeah, we have a new one for up here, but this one goes in the back. It's
Okay.
like an eccentric, I think. And this side goes farther forward. Sweet.
Lock those together, lock these. Boom. This one we can time. And then I need another bustable adjustable for both of these, unless that's like a 17. And then this I can use an adjustable one. But not the 3-tooth ratchet, bro.
It works.
Fuck it.
Alright. What are you doing, bro?
I can't even. I'm just experimenting, bro.
Experimenting with what? Your sexuality? Goes through the black piece.
Yeah, yeah.
This lip in here, so you just have to get it around that.
So on the ISR Pro tow arms, we're swapping out the bushings for the S13 ones because they've got two different types and these fit both models, but you just have to swap the sleeves out for the bushings.
We'll go in this way.
So these little bushings are the things we swapped out. It pretty much makes it universal between the S13 and S14, but we just used the smaller ones and it slipped right in. So that's that for the passenger side. So now we just have to do the tow arm on the driver's side and final bolt check, and that's it for the install. So. Huh?
I said let me get up in there.
Yeah, it's already out.
Like, yeah. Alright.
Just pull.
I'm pulling as hard as I can.
Yeah.
That's good enough?
Yeah. It's been a couple weeks since we got done with the rear suspension install on the S13, and I was actually able to get it aligned the very next day at my work. So I got the alignment completely dialed in, the camber is matched, and the toe is in spec now and matched on both sides. The fitment is still pretty much the same as it was, but looks a lot better now that the toe is fixed. And drives great. There's no play in the bushings or anything. It's just smooth ride. So no complaints. Car drives great, and I got what I wanted out of the arms.